Around 60% of guys are walking around with hair that looks honestly not great. Another 30%. Decent, but nothing special. Which leaves only 10% of men who actually have hair that looks healthy, fresh and well kept. Right. Now, I'm in that 10%, but trust me, I didn't start here. A few years ago, my hair was a mess. Dry, frizzy, zero shape. It didn't matter if I styled it or not, it just never looked good. But then, I figured out a routine. Nothing crazy, just a few changes that completely transformed my hair. I went from meh to bro. What's your hair routine? Most men hate complicated grooming rituals. You want something easy, fast, and effective. And I get it. Nobody wants dry, frizzy, greasy hair that kills the whole look. So in this video, I'm breaking it down into the simplest steps possible. One thing, you can't fix your hair if you don't know your hair type. Generally, there are 4. Straight, smooth, shiny, but gets oily fast. Wavy, nice bounce, but frizzes easily. Curly, big volume, but dries out quickly. Coily, super tight curls, needs lots of moisture. Find your type, because your routine will tweak slightly, depending on this tip. 1. Morning detangling. You can own every fancy shampoo, conditioner, or hair oil in the world. But if you skip detangling, your hair's still going to look rough. Every morning, yes, even if your hair is short, detangle it. If you have straight or wavy hair, use a soft bristle brush. If your hair is curly or coily, use fingers or a wide-tooth comb to avoid breakage. For dry hair, a quick spray of water or light leave-in conditioner can refresh it instantly. If your scalp feels dry, add a few drops of lightweight oil. Tip 2. Use the right shampoo. This one fixes about 70% of your hair problems. Shampoo isn't just about cleaning, it's about cleaning without stripping your hair. For straight or wavy hair, choose a lightweight, gentle shampoo that doesn't make you greasy. For curly or coily hair, go for sulfate-free and moisturizing to keep hair from drying out. If you have dandruff, use a mild anti-dandruff shampoo. Once in a while, or try a tea tree oil or apple cider vinegar rinse. How often should you wash? Straight hair, every other day. Wavy hair, every 2 to 3 days. Curly or coily hair, once a week or so. Shampoo is fine once in a while, but don't make it your main one. Tip 3. Never skip conditioner. Think of conditioner as the toppings on your pizza. Without it, everything feels incomplete. It hydrates, softens, and keeps hair manageable. For straight or wavy hair, go for a lightweight conditioner. For curly or coily hair, use a richer one to lock in moisture. Apply it only to mid-lengths and ends, not your scalp. Comb through with fingers or a wide-tooth comb, then rinse with cool water for shine. Tip 4. Protect your hair from damage. You can have the best hair in the world, but rough handling will kill it. After washing, never rub your hair with a towel. Use a mop towel or soft cotton t-shirt to gently squeeze water out. If you have curls, try the plopping method with a t-shirt for better curl definition. Blow drying. Always use a heat protectant and keep the dryer on low heat. Same for straighteners or curling tools. Protect first, then style. Curly or coily hair. Protective styles like braids or twists can help reduce breakage. Also, healthy hair starts at the scalp. Try massaging with castor or peppermint oil twice a week for better circulation. Tip 5. Regular trims. No, you don't want to cut your hair when you're growing it out. But split ends will travel up the hair shaft and ruin the whole thing. For straight or wavy hair, trim every 6 to 8 weeks. For curly or coily hair, every 8 to 12 weeks. This keeps hair looking neat and healthy, even while growing it long. Tip 6. Diet and hydration. You can't eat junk all week and expect your hair to shine. Hair needs nutrients. Eggs, salmon, spinach, nuts, sweet potatoes, all packed with protein, omega-3 south, and vitamin E, and plenty of water, at least 8 glasses a day. Good products help, but what you eat builds the foundation. Follow them consistently, and you'll notice the difference in 3 to 6 months, guaranteed. Drop a comment, and I'll make it the next video.